Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel once again. Today we are going to have a short discussion on the 2024 English language orals, questions and answers. Without much ado, let's read the instructions. Choose from the options A to D the one which has the same consonant sound as the word underlined in the sentences below. We have number 36. Those two are arch rivals. And the answers are, we have A, splash, B, path, C, spark, and D, patch. Alright, so what are we looking for here? We are looking for the same consonant sound. Alright, the same consonant sound as the word underlined in the sentence below. So when we look at the sentence below, which word has been underlined? Okay, we have arch. Okay, arch rival, but the arch has been underlined. So we are looking for the same consonant sound. This is very important. Okay, if you make it a vowel sound, the answer will change. So with this one, we are looking for the consonant sound. Okay, so before you can solve a question like this, make sure that you know the distinction, the difference between consonant sound and vowel sound. All right, so let us look at the answers. We have arch rival, arch. So we are looking for the sound arch. We all know that the R is a vowel sound, okay? So if we are looking for the same consonant sound, then we have to concentrate on the sh, okay? The sh sound, all right? The sh sound. All right, so let us look at the first answer. We have splash, splash. So do we have the sh sound there? So we have the sh sound and then we have the sh sound. They are different, okay? The splash has the sh sound, which is sh, okay? Then this one has the ce, the sh sound. All right, so the splash cannot be our answer for this one. Let us go to the B, okay? We have path, okay? Path. So we have the p sound, we have the f sound, and I don't think this one can also be our answer. So let us move on straight to the C, okay? We have spark, spark. So the C, if you've been mentioning arch rivals as arch rivals, it means that you are going to choose the C. Okay, when you're answering questions of this nature, you have to take note of how it is pronounced. Okay, the correct way of pronunciation. So the correct way of pronunciation is not arch rivals, but it is arch rivals. Okay, so spark cannot be our answer. Now let us go into the D. So we have patch, okay? Sh, patch, 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 arch, arch, patch, arch. So we have the ch sound. So we can therefore say that our possible answer for number 36 is the D, okay? We have the arch and we have the patch, okay? All right, thank you very much. Let us move on to our next question. Question number 37, okay? We are still looking for the same consonant sound. Now, you have to be aware of the instructions, okay? we are not looking for the consonant word or the consonant letter. Okay, we are looking for consonant sound. All right, so you have to be careful with the instructions. So number 37, Prosper is the new chef. Okay, chef. It is not chef. All right. We don't pronounce it like chef. We pronounce it in this way. That is chef. Okay, chef. So A, we have chair. Okay, chair. B, we have scheme. It's not scheme, it's scheme. Okay, scheme. Then the C, we have cord. Then D, we have shield. Okay, so look at the underlined word, which is the chef. So we have the f sound here, but looking at all the answers, we don't have any f sound there. Okay, so let's concentrate on the sh. All right, so here we are concentrating on the sh sound. Chef, chef. All right, so let us look at A. We have chair. Okay, so if you're not careful, because of the ch, because we have chef and then we have chair, if you're not careful, you may concentrate on the letters, okay, which is ch and ch, and you may get the answer wrong. So here we are not looking for chef, we are looking for chef. So chair cannot be our answer. Okay, that one is ch, and this one is sh. Okay, and that one is ch. All right. So hopefully you know what we are talking about here. So let's go to scheme. Okay, scheme, B, which is the scheme. So chef and scheme is not shim, it's scheme. All right, so scheme cannot be our answer. Okay, then we have the C, which is cord. Okay, cord, and ch. Okay, cord, ch. It can't also be our answer. Now let us go into our last answer, which is the shield. Okay, so we have chef, shield, chef, shield. So the same consonant sound, we have sh and sh. Okay, chef, shield, chef, shield. We can therefore say that our answer is the answer D, because of the sh sound. Okay, all right, let us go into number 38. Okay, we have Lariba sprang on her feet. Lariba sprang on her feet. Okay, we are still on the same consonant sound. The underlined word here is sprang. Okay, sprang. Okay, and looking at the answers here, we don't have sound in the answers. Okay, we don't have sound, and sound is not in the answers. So we are concentrating on okay, sound. All right, that's a sound. Okay, so sprang. Okay, all right, so let us look at the first one. We have splashed. A is splashed. Okay, splashed, spr and spla. Okay, so it's A cannot be our answer. All right, A cannot be our answer. Let us go to the B. Okay, we have sprayed. Okay, sprayed. So we have sprang, sprayed. All right, I think that the spur, the sprang, and then the sprayed. I think B is going to be our answer. But let's go to the C and D and see what is happening here. We have struck. The C is struck. Okay, struck, sprayed, struck. All right, which cannot be our answer. That one is ST. Then we are looking for spr. All right. So let's go to the D. We have slew. Okay. I don't think this one is even qualified to be here. All right. So the possible answer is the B, which is the sprayed, sprang, sprayed. All right. Okay. Thank you very much. Let us move on to the second part. Okay. So let us read the instructions. Choose from the options A to D the one which has the same vowel sound as the word underlined in the sentences below. Okay, so here we are looking for same vowel sounds. Okay, same vowel sounds. The first part was same consonant sounds, and this one is same vowel sound. Okay, so let us look at number 39. Whole grains are healthier than polished ones. The question again, whole grains are healthier than polished ones. Now we have A, which is goal, B, goal, C, gill, and D, jail. Okay. Now we are looking for the vowel sound, and the underlined word here is whole. So we are looking for the sound O. Okay, O, because O is the vowel sound here. All right. So we are looking for the sound O. All right. Okay. So let's come to our answers, and then let's see if we can find our sounds here. So A, we have goal. Okay, goal. So whole and goal. O and O. So O and O. All right. So do we have the same vowel sound? Whole, goal, O. Okay. All right. Let's come to the B. Okay. Let's come to the B. We have goal, all. Okay. Whole and all. Whole, goal, and whole. So, all right. So that is about that. Let's go to the C. We have gill. Okay. Gill. The gill is for, we have gill. These are the organs which allows fish to breathe under water, right? That is the gill. Okay, so we have whole and gill. Okay, I think this one is automatically disqualified. All right, it's disqualified. Then we have the D, which is jail. The D, jail, which is not the. So we have jail. So we have ew. All right. So looking at all the answers here, the preferred choice is the A, which is the goal. Okay, whole, all, and goal. Okay, when you take the vowel sounds, you get O and O. All right. So the preferred or the possible answer here is the A. That is the goal. All right. Okay, let us move on to number 40, which is the last question. The question reads like this: the heir to the British throne was the Duke of Cornwall. The heir to the British throne was the Duke of Cornwall. We are looking for the word heir, okay? The word heir has been underlined. So we want the sound heir, okay? So we have A as heir, B as hail, C as hew, and D as hear. Okay, so looking at this one, it's very easy. Okay, especially if you know how to pronounce the word air, it's very easy for you to get the answer. Okay, so we have air, and then the A2 we have air. All right, so it's a perfect match. Okay, air and air. All right, hail is disqualified. The B, which is the hail, is disqualified because the vowel sound here is a. Okay, then when you come to the C, the vowel sound there is e, he. All right, then the D we have here, here we have so the possible answer here is A, which is the air. Okay, air. All right, hopefully this one clears some doubts concerning the questions and answers for the oral language. Thank you very much for staying to the end of this video. If you liked this video and you want similar videos like this, make sure that you click the like and the subscribe button, and I will see you later. Goodbye and have a nice day.